Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Don1914 here with another sneaker review. So hit these on sneaker. These finally came in, and I'm eager to see what these look like in hand. So we're gonna do an unboxing, review, and an on feet. Now, you look at the title, you look at the thumbnail, you know what kicks it is, the Air Max SB 95s. I'm gonna be honest with you, my favorite Air Maxes 1, Air Max 90s. Never been a real big fan of Air Max 95s, but you know, we'll see if this changes my mind. I don't own a pair of 95s right now in my collection, so this will be the first pair that I've had in a long time since I was a youngin' back in the 90s. But this pair, and then the red pair that's coming out, the red and gray pair, I forget what it's called, Solar Red or something like that. May have to look at those too, but let's go ahead, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the review. Unbox this shoe. Welcome back to the channel if you're a returning viewer. If you're a new viewer, welcome. Over here we do reviews of fits and kicks, and if you into that type of stuff, you're in the right place. So let's go ahead and break it down. Of course, you got your standard purple Nike SB box, Nike and Nike SB branding on the back of the box. You got some writing on the sides, Nike SB right here. And here's a sizing label right here. I went with a size 10. I do wear a size 10. It always fluctuates, a size 10 to a 10 and a half in Air Max 95s. And maybe that's why I never really was partial to them, because they were uncomfortable on my foot. But let's go ahead and read the sizing label. SB Air Max 95, Summit White Cactus Flower, size 10. Flip lid, standard SB green and white paper. Here are the kicks. Pull them out. Pull them out. Pull them out. Yeah, you know what? Okay, here we go. I was gonna say, where's my white sticker? So, a little dirty, but you should get a SB all whited out sticker and all your SBs when you get them. Majority of them anyway, but nothing else inside the box. Let's see. Yeah. So when you get your box, make sure right here. Let me see. I just show you real quick. See that green sticker? Make sure you got a green sticker in your box, and there's nothing else that'll come inside the box. No Q quality control stamp or anything like that. So if you're getting on the secondary market, make sure your box comes just like this. So let's go ahead and hop right into the review, and let me just take a look at them real quick and take it all in. Okay, yeah, these are okay. Yeah, that color blocking is, they did an excellent job on the color blocking. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the review of the Nike SB Air Max 95 Cactus Flower.
Rob Rachmaninoff.
Alright, so let's hop right into the review. Let's start with the outsole. You got that gum outsole, which I do love. That is definitely fire. Gum outsole. You got your Nike SB right there in red in the middle of the outsole. It says Nike SB. Sorry, it's not in red, it's in that cactus flower. So Nike SB Air, and then they got the PSIs as well, as you can see right there. Fire. And the traction seems like it's different on these. I don't remember the Air Max 95 traction being like that on the outsole, so I think that's something different. As we move to the midsole, you get that cactus flower clear air bubble with the cactus flower air unit inside the air bubble, going to the back of the heel and to the forefoot of the shoe. You got this, I don't know if this is sail or maybe that's Summit White. Yeah, so I would say this is that Summit White that's all on the midsole right here. And you move it up, it starts to fade. So you got like different shades of gray, and then you got that black going into the upper. Cactus flower swoosh right there on the heel. Moving around to the toe cap, you got this like, this is like, it's not gray. It almost looks like a tan type of suede right here going around the toe cap. As you can see that all the way around the front. Then you got a little peek of the gum outsole at the front of the toe cap. Toe box, you got the mesh right here, some of the white mesh and a mixture of mesh and that black as well. Oh, moving up to the tongue and the laces, get the white laces, and then you got a mixture of black and cactus flower color lace holders. It's like a speed system lace unit right here. And right here in front of the tongue right here, I believe that's 3M. So that's 3M. And then if you move around to the back, you'll see you got Nike SB. And then I believe all this part right here is 3M. And that reads what? Nike SB Air. So that's kind of weird how they put that, but that's how that reads. But I love how the back look. That's fire. You got this clear air bubble with the cactus flower air unit in the back as well. I do like that. That's one of my favorite parts of the shoe is like this part right here, and then the back of the shoe as well. Fire. Yeah, that's dope. Okay, cool. So the tongue, you got Air Max right there, cactus flower black in that little circle. White tongue, back of the tongue. You should have your sizing on the back of the tongue. See that come in clear there. Yeah, there you go. On the back of the tongue. Shoe paper. Inside the shoe, just says Nike SB Air Max and your sizing sticker right there. And you got that cactus flower insole as well. So that's the review. There's nothing different on the left shoe versus the right shoe. All the same. I will say also, if you look real closely right here on the black part right here at the top, you can see that this is all suede, but then this part where the black hits is leather. And if you look at the stitching really close, you can see that it's like a turnstile stitch. And that's famous for like SBs and for skateboarders. This is a skateboard shoe. You can skate in this shoe. This is one of the Air Maxes that you can skate in. It's built for that. It's got extra, cushioning, and the way that it's designed is for skateboarding. And the turnstile stitch is especially made for that because, there's a lot of wear and tear when you're skating on your shoes. So normally the SBs come with the turnstile stitch. Most of the time they do, as you can see right there. And how I can explain it is that you see how it's like, let me get my fingers out the way. You can see how it's like folded over versus being like, if you look at some Jordans and things of that nature, it's kind of like exposed right here in this area. You can kind of see. But you can see how this is like folded over and like damn near double stitched. So that's what that turnstile stitch basically means. So yeah, I didn't even notice that you got mesh within the tongue area right in here. This black part is mesh. So yeah, these are nice, man. I might be sold. This might be my first Air Max 95 that I do keep, and it's been years and years since I've kept a 95 SB. So comment down in the comment section down below. Did you go for this pair, man? Or are you looking to grab this off the secondary market? We got the holidays coming up. This is on your Christmas list. You know what I mean? Let me know in the comment section down below how you feel about this pair with the color blocking and the overall shoe in general. Okay, so after putting them on and feeling them on my foot, these are comfortable, man. These are comfortable and they look good on foot. They are fire on foot. Believe me, definitely. I think I'm definitely keeping a pair. Now I hit on 2 pairs. I think I'm definitely going to keep a pair. While I have my other pair, the dead stock pair will be up for grabs. And I'll put that on my eBay. So if you go to eBay, it's down1914. I'll have it on that page if you want to cop that. My second pair, both pair came from Nike Sneakers app. I hit both on the Sneakers app. So yeah, sizing, I would just go either true to your size that you wear in Nike Air Max 95s, or for me, I went with a size 10. And like I said, it fluctuates between a 10, 10 and a half, but I went with a size 10, they fit perfect. So whatever your true to size is in Nike Air Max 95s, go with that. So with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. Let's hop into this on feet. And until the next video, I'm out.
Rob. Rock man enough.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one, I'm so white this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done, I'm done one. I'm so what this world they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.